Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, November 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from the weekend, and you?
I'm fine. Ready for another busy day. This coffee smells great. I can't start without it.
Yes, it does. I needed to wake up. The machine is my best friend here.
Mine too. Hey, did you catch the news this morning? It's full of big stories.
A little what caught your eye first?
That thing about the US and nuclear tests. President Trump wants to start testing again, after years of no tests.
Oh yeah, I saw that on CNN. He said it's on an equal basis with Russia and China. Sounds tense?
Totally. It's like stepping back to the Cold War days. Crazy, right? How do you think it hits our work?
It could make global sales tricky. Clients might hold back on deals if tensions rise.
Exactly. Our sales targets depend on stable markets. If countries get scared, orders drop.
True. As a project manager, I worry about supply chains. Things could get delayed.
Yeah, but maybe it pushes more defense business our way. Who knows?
Possible. But many experts say it's risky. It breaks a long piece on nuclear stuff.
I read that too. Protests are starting. People want no tests. Pass the milk.
Sure, here you go. So what's next in the news for you?
The trade stuff with China. They agreed on rare earth exports. That's big for tech.
Rare earths? Like the materials for phones and computers?
Yes, from the New York Times. Trump and Xi made a deal. China will export more rare earths to the US, at least for a year.
That's huge for technology. Our company uses them in products? No shortages now?
Right? AI chips and electric cars need them. Prices might stay low.
Good for projects. I can plan without worrying about costs going up.
Sales win too. Clients buy more if tech is affordable, but is it fair?
Some say China gets too much say. They control most rare earths. Controversy there.
Yeah. US wants more control, but this deal eases tariffs a bit.
Smart move, balances trade war. Helps everyone in tech.
For sure. Our team might get new orders. Exciting.
Yes, but let's see if it lasts. Deals can change.
True. Now the hurricane news, scary one.
Hurricane Melissa? It's a Category 5 now, hitting Jamaica hard.
From CNN reports, winds over 150 miles per hour, floods and damage everywhere.
Devastating, homes gone, power out. People need help fast.
Sad, it's one of the strongest in years. Climate making storms worse.
Yes, society feels it most. Poor areas hit hardest.
How does it affect us? Any suppliers there?
Maybe. Caribbean links could slow shipments. Projects delay.
Oh man, my sales report is due. Hope no issues?
Check with logistics. We adapt. That's office life.
You're right, resilient like always. Another coffee round?
Sure, make mine with sugar.
Got it. Back to nuclear, do you think it scares investors?
Probably. Stock markets hate uncertainty. Tech stocks might dip.
But rare earth deal could boost them. Counterbalance?
Nice point. Politics and tech mix in business.
Always. Like how hurricane disrupts travel. Flights cancel?
Likely. If it moves north, our trip's affected.
No fun. I have a client call from there soon.
Postpone if needed. Safety first.
Wise, you always think ahead.
Part of the job. Plan for risks.
Like in sales, predict client needs.
Exactly. News helps us prepare.
Yeah, nuclear tests might mean new rules for exports.
True. Watch for changes in policies.
Will do. The China deal on rare earths is a relief though.
Yes, tech industry cheers. Semiconductors safe.
Our computers and gadgets too. Everyday stuff.
Right. Society benefits from stable tech.
And hurricanes remind us of environment. Go green more.
Should. Companies push sustainability now.
Our office recycles, small step.
But big impact if all do. Like the storm shows?
Jamaica recovery will take time. Donations?
Good idea. Suggest to HR.
They might set up a fund. Feels good to give.
Builds team, like our chats.
Love these mornings. Coffee and news.
Me too. Keeps us informed.
Without boring meetings? Ha!
Shh. Don't say that loud.
Okay. Seriously, nuclear news worries me a bit.
Me too. World peace matters.
But trade deals help peace. Economic ties.
Yes, South Korea won too? Wait, did I mention that?
No, but I saw it. U.S. and South Korea trade deal. $350 billion investment?
From Washington Post. Lowers tariffs, good for business.
Yes, imports cheaper, sales up.
Project smoother, less cost worries.
Perfect. But some controversy who pays what?
Fair point, negotiations tough.
Like our budget talks.
Huh, yes, bosses like Trump, tough deals.
Don't tell him that. Coffee break over soon?
Almost. One more thing on hurricane.
Go ahead.
CNN says deaths rising, 7 so far. Heartbreaking?
Awful. Families hurt. We take safety for granted here.
True, appreciate calm days.
Like today, sunny outside.
Yes, grateful.
Now tech side, rare earths mean better phones.
Hopefully faster chips.
I need a new one, mine's slow.
Upgrade time, company discount?
Maybe ask IT.
Good plan.
Nuclear might fund more tech research.
Or scare it mixed.
Life is mixed, like coffee, hot and bitter.
Add sugar better.
Smart, time to go. Meeting calls.
See you later. Have a productive day.
You too, stay positive.
Always.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.